feels a little different. Just a little guy? Something else. Oh my God. Big bull shark just took him. Giant bull shark.